we're here with Wendy. She's going to tell us all about our lemongrass sugar scrub and why she likes it so much. So take it away, Wendy.
Hey, so the first time I used this, I actually opened the bottle and I could smell the lemongrass, and I could tell it was real essential oils. And so I was really intrigued with the whole product. And I always have dry skin in the winter and sometimes in the summer, and I would make my own sugar scrubs. I have stopped making my own sugar scrubs because this is amazing. I use it once a week. I usually use it on Wednesdays. I kind of have my little schedule, and I haven't had any issues with dry skin this whole winter. And I was asking Susan about her products, and I realized that this is all natural. This is not something that you would buy like in a grocery store, but it works amazing and I love it.
Thanks, Wendy. Appreciate your comments. Thanks for chiming in. Thanks for watching. Check us out, susansoaps.com. Have a great day.